Ladoos, happy Diwali! Welcome to Little Ladoo's Craft Corner. In honor of Diwali, also known as Deepavali, today we'll be making diya cookies. Diyas are lit all over the world to celebrate the Festival of Lights. Here's a simple sweet treat you can make at home to share with your family and friends. If you want to learn how, keep watching! So here's everything that you're going to need. You're going to need some candies, different ones, different shapes and sizes and colors, some Mary biscuits, and some of these gummy candies that look like flames. So I'm using fruit snacks. Then a bunch of other sprinkles that I just got from the bulk food store. And also some Skittles or some M&Ms, whatever you prefer, in different colors. Some white icing and a plastic knife, because we always should be safe, as well as a cutting board and a cup of warm water with a knife. And for that part, you might need to ask your mom or dad. So now, let's get started. So first things first is we're going to start with the cookies. So we're going to just start with 2 cookies. For this part, you might need to get your mom or dad. Now I'm using a sharp knife and it's dipped into warm water. Now you're just going to have to do this really slowly and really carefully not to break the cookie. But if you do break the cookie, no big deal. You can eat it and get a new one. Now just dip the knife in water, let it warm up a little, and slowly cut the cookie. Now you're going to repeat this for all the cookies that you're going to be making. I'm going to be making 4, so it really depends on what you're going to be doing. Then you can eat the crumbs, and now we're left with 4 half circles. We're going to spread on the white icing all over the cookie. You can use your plastic knife and just spread it right on. You want to get a good amount so that the candies will eventually stick. There we go. Now for the fun part, decorating. We're going to use all the colored candies. Now we're going to use the flame, and there you go. See? It's a little fruit, but now it looks like the flame of a diya. We're going to use the colored candies and decorate our diyas. In India, the diyas are so vibrant and colorful, and they're decorated with gemstones and sparkles and so much paint. So we're going to use these colored candies to do so. You can use your imagination and create whatever designs you like. Here are just a few ideas. And there you go. We've got 4 beautiful diya cookies, all different, but all beautiful. I hope you make them, and I hope you enjoy eating them as well. Thanks for watching Little Ladoo's Craft Corner. I hope you enjoyed today's craft and that you will make it at home. When you do, be sure to tag us on Instagram or comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Bye, Little Ladoos. See you next time.